All right, gang. Small electronics repair. I absolutely love it. I do a little electronic repair here and there, particularly some laptops, but not just laptops, small things like hard drives enclosures and little things like that for my friends, for my family, and that's where this comes in. There is nothing more annoying than those teeny tiny little screws that sometimes you misplace or they just don't seem to have the right purchase that they used to. And that's where this little set comes in and is wonderful. This is a laptop screw kit made by Bolt Dropper. It's got 20 different metric sized screws, mini screws, for small electronic repair. Not just laptop, but that's what it's listed as. It's got 20 different sizes. It's hard to see, I don't want to spill all of these anywhere. Does come in 20 different sizes, and as you can see on the bottom of these, it does come treated with Nylok. That's the little bit of substance that when you put a little bit of pressure on it, it locks these screws in place, not permanently, but helps to keep them in place and not vibrating loose, which is really important for things like laptops, things that have a lot of fans and might be vibrating a lot. It's a lot of times why on those small electronic repairs, the screws just seem to not have the same purchase, the same strength that they had before you took them out. It's because their Nylok has been broken off. Now that now with a set like this, it comes pre-treated with Nylok and a little titanium nitride screwdriver to help you with the proper size of this. And here's what I love. It is also slightly, I don't know if you can see this. It is also slightly, I don't know if you can see that teeny tiny screw, it is slightly magnetic. Not so magnetic that you have to worry about it damaging electronics or anything like that, but enough to help you with these teeny tiny screws to make sure that you're able to put them where you need them on a laptop or whatever little device you're repairing. So look, if you do any sort of computer repair, laptop repair, small electronics repair, I think this is a go-to kit that you should keep around the house. Check it out. It's made by Bolt Droppers. 20 different sizes of screws all included in here. 20 different sizes. A chart to make sure that you know what you're looking at. Man, keep them around. I think you're going to love it.